Hello everybody, this is Black Shadow 2525 and welcome to a new Let's Play video called Garten of BanBan. So, I saw this game that's free to play and it looks like there is a Garten of BanBan number 2. Maybe I might get to that one though, but right now though, we're gonna go ahead and play this one since I haven't seen any Let's Play videos of this, and I'm curious because it's a free to play game on Steam that you can get, so I'm curious on how this game rolls, so I just want to double check one thing real quick just to see if everything's going okay. And, yep, seems like everything's running fine as is. Just want to make sure everything's good. And now let's go ahead and check settings, because I never did bother checking that. Resolution, nah, I think it'll be fine. Brightness, yeah, everything has to be the best. Yeah. Okay, that's all, everything's all good. So let's go ahead and start. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay, so I'm assuming this is like 11 o'clock? Now it's 12. For a parent, okay, still the same. Is that just a wall, or is that the actual creature? Is that an entity? Okay. Hold the W. Yeah, okay. Thanks for that. Okay, press E to interact with objects. What kind of objects can I interact with is the question. Hold shift to sprint. Okay. So guess it's just gonna tell me the controls right off the bat. What next? Press space to jump? Because I've already learned that. You didn't tell me that. Nah, it's okay. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, is this something? I got a card, maybe? Like a key card? BanBan's kindergarten. Okay. Cafeteria. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. That or be like a mushy creature though that looks like it just got melted by the sun. So I guess this character is supposed to be the main one though, but I'm not sure if the red one is though because he's in the middle like everyone else, but who knows. Alright. So I guess this is where the key card goes? Ah. Okay. What about the other areas? Creativity area. Which I guess I need to get some for that button, I guess. Oh, and here's the cafeteria. Stinger Flying says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Doesn't sound like Simon Says. Wow. They really want to make sure that no one doesn't steal their food though after closing, because there's nothing in here. Never if I'm in a rundown building though, like Poppy's Playtime, if it was actually closed down. Huh. Oh, maybe I gotta use the drone. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monsters. It is the only chance to make a clear to make a Claire like me. Me, the monsters, Claire. Oh. Okay. Okay, so I guess maybe I gotta hit the button. The remote requires 2 batteries. I guess I gotta find batteries. Wait, what if I knock this over? Probably nothing. What does it mean by batteries, though? Oh, I guess they do spawn. One battery, two battery. I guess they just spawn, I guess. I like how it's already activated after you use the controller. So I guess I press go over there. Left mouse button to use your toy. Yeah, there we go. Right mouse button to teleport the toy to the nearest room. Oh, like it respawns. Okay. Controls can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. I think I'm good. Oh, I see. I gotta go over there. Oh, yeah. You didn't hit it right. It's weird though that there's two buttons, one over there and one over there, and this opens that. Hi there. Are you definitely creepy, alright? The end is here. Well then, it's wonderful that kids wrote these. Creepy indeed. Ooga booga booga ooga. Captain's fiddle says. Babylina says. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Huh. So I guess this is the door that I saw through the camera, I'm assuming. I need the purple key card. Then I also need the orange. I got the blue, but I don't want to go in there. Not yet. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable materials such as yellow glass. Really? Oh, naughty. Why do I keep on calling it nifty? It's naughty corner. Okay, that chair wants to boogie down. BanBan says, sharing is caring. Your your pancreas is mine. Okay. That's not really what you want to have in a kindergarten. So what if I command it to go over here? Because it looks like there's like a big gap right here I can command it to, wouldn't I? Or is it too dumb to go straight ahead? Oh. It can break glass. How about there? I thought it said that the yellow glass couldn't be broken. Okay, how about there? I guess that button doesn't work yet? I guess not. Now what with this door? This door looks ominous, but I guess I can't go through it. I guess maybe I gotta go through here then. And then there's that creepy bird. That is one creepy bird. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Ball pit closed. Okay, 1 egg. 2. Wait, can I not jump back? Alrighty. 3. I don't know why it's not stacking. What does that do? Guess nothing. Okay. Okay. Oh. Guess that's 4? I've already lost count. I feel like the water might be bad. Oh. There's 5. If it lets me grab it. Okay, that's 5. Now I need number 6. Ah, there it is. Okay, so I got all 6 eggs, I do believe. Do I have an inventory? I don't know. Probably not. Oh well. I think I got 6 eggs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Claim your reward by its mouth. A yellow card, okay. I'm really skeptical by that bird. So say distraction at 1. Distraction at 1. And I got a hammer. Okay. I'm assuming I gotta go back by that bird though, because I don't think there's a hammer anywhere I can use it on. Press space to jump. Okay. Okay. Opila Bird says, Opila Bird, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. I'm smiling alright. Scared as heck though, but with that bird. Wait, what was that card? What would I use that for? Like this is a safe area to be in. Emergency stop. Okay. Ooh. Okay then, that's one way of being safe around this area. What was my color? What was my color? What? I want to play, wait, alone. I alone. I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone have parties without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I am scared because hole is loud and my friends scream in it, but bird is funny. What? What was my color? Yellow? No. Pink. Then we have green. You were red. You were white? Yeah, white. Then you were... I don't know what color you were, but I know you were orange. And I guess the last one was purple. Alright. I guess it was all of them. I got the orange key. Hi. Oh gosh. Hi. No, stay. What the f... What was I supposed to do there? Press C to reincarnate. Can I just... Oh, I can't even go through there. They just locked me in there. Like, what was I supposed to do? Stay. Stay. What the... Oh my gosh, get in there. Oh, there's a board. Okay, I did not see that. Wait, what am I supposed to do? What? Okay, excuse me. So what was I supposed to do when there's an invisible wall that I could not run? Like, excuse me. Okay. So now I know what I'm supposed to. Well, I don't know. Maybe I gotta like cancel that thing. Maybe that one. There was that one button I didn't do. No button. Oh my gosh, I hate this thing. I didn't really get to see it though, but I think I got him. But I think he's a climber though. Okay, so now I got orange. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, I don't know what that does, but let's check the notes. Boarding pass. Name Uthman Adam from Montreal MTL. DSTN. Madrid MDD. Class E. Seat D2. Sorry about that, I have a little hiccup. Date 23/10/2016. Gate B. Boarding time. Okay. Present at checkpoint. So I guess this is like a flying ticket. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, yeah. They should have made that a lot more bigger. Ah, yes, a black room. Ooh. Hello? Oh. Hi. He's big. Very big. Thanks for playing. Wishlist for sequel here. Garten of BanBan 2. I guess that's the end of the first one of Garten of BanBan. Alright then, well that was an interesting one. I was not expecting that and the creepiness to it. Alright then. Not sure though if that bird is still alive. I assume so. Must look really bad or whatnot. Very creepy, but that was pretty short. I was expecting that, to be honest, but I wasn't thinking this short, but oh well. Yep, but thank you all for watching me play, and I'll see you all in the next episode of Garten of BanBan. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Black Shadow 2525 is signing out.